ceviche is the Latin ceviche. It's very classic in Mexico and in Latin America. We do a lot of ceviches. This is new in the menu. It's a passion fruit Latin ceviche. Normally the ceviche is we pickle the fish. This fish today, the catch of the day is barracuda. We put here. The fish has to be very, very, very fresh. We add lime juice.
Yeah, right.
And we're gonna add a piece of salt. Pickle the fish. We're gonna add this mix is passion fruit, lime juice, and orange juice. That will give it some acidity and sweetness in the ceviche. We can see how the fish start changing the color because the acidity. In this bowl, we're gonna start adding the other parts of the elements, which is shallot, bell peppers, pineapple to give some tropical flavors, cucumbers too. With some of the same juice. Now with the fish change the color, it starts to be coated. We mix it with
look at that. Ah, magic trick, huh? You see? Again. Make me believe you are good, but I know you are putting. Okay,
then we are ready to kick in. Guacamole in the bottom. Some tortilla chips.